Here we are, in beautiful Laguna Beach. Just leaving the upper landing. In about a year's time, they're going to make another landing to come out from that step, to come out to about here. And we'll add a third stop. The tram will stop right here for this doorway over there. Tram's coming down, nice and smooth. There's a call send. There's a light under the bench here, so you can see at night. Kind of cool. Emergency stop button there. Stop anytime along the way. If you open this door, I'm not going to do it, but it has a safety feature as well. This gate. There's a limit switch on it down there. Coming down into the landing. There's a little gecko. Very tropical here. Laguna Beach, California, folks. And we should come into a nice soft landing that will be in level, or in line with this landing right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, gonna stop now. Perfect. Accessible Adams signing off.